In this lecture, we will discuss about web pages, website, web portal, web development, web browser, and emails. So let's begin with what is a web page. www or World Wide Web consists of a collection of the documents. These documents are known as web pages or simply called pages. These web pages are created by using different markup languages, which we will study later, such as HTML, XML. Each web page may contain links to another web page. The idea of having one page points to another is called hypertext, and the string of text that are linked to another web page are called hyperlinks. These web pages are categorized into static web pages and dynamic web pages. Static web pages are fixed content documents that are created and stored in the server, and the content in the server can be changed by the developer only, but user cannot change it. And the second type of web pages is the dynamic web page that shows different information at different point of time. A fresh document is created for each request, and the content of dynamic document can vary from one request to another. Now let's learn what is a website and how it is different from web portal. A website is a collection of web pages and related content that is identified by a common domain name and published on at least one server. For example, gla.ac.in, wikipedia.org, google.com, and amazon.com, etc. A website is is a location on the internet that is unique and which is accessed via a web browser using a specific URL or web address. While a web portal are also accessed via a web browser and a specific URL, but the content is login protected and user specific. This is the main difference. For example, you can see that gla.ac.in is a website, while glauniversity.in colon 8085 is a web portal for the students. Now let us learn the term web development. It refers to the building website and deploying it on the web. Web development requires uses of scripting languages both at the server as well as the client side. In which client-side coding can be done in different types of scripting languages or markup languages such as VBScript, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, etc. While the server-side coding can be done in ASP, CGI, JavaScript, PHP, Python, Java or .NET, etc. Here the software used for viewing the or accessing the web page is called a browser. Commonly used browsers are Mozilla Firefox, Google Chrome, Internet Explorer, Opera, etc. The main function of browser is to interpret the text and commands, and it displays the web page properly formatted on the screen. The next term we come across in our daily life is email or electronic mail. It is defined as a method of exchanging information between peoples using electronic devices. Each user of email is assigned a unique name called email address for his email account, and it consists of the following components. First one is the email header, which contains various fields like date, to, from, subject, carbon copy, and blind carbon copy. And the email body section contains the greeting, text, and signature of the user. So that was the end of introduction to web technology. In our next lecture, we will start HTML.